Our Earth is approximately like a sphere. It is one of the great circles around the Earth's surface that runs east-west. It is called as the equator. The plane of the equator divides the Earth into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. It is another circle around the Earth's surface that runs east-west. The plane of this circle is parallel to the plane of the equator. Similarly, all of these circles are parallel to the plane of the equator. These circles are called as the parallels. Each of the parallels describe a specific location on the Earth's surface in terms of an angle called the latitude. The latitude of the equator is considered 0 degree. The latitude of this parallel is considered 15 degree north because it is located on northern hemisphere. The latitude of this parallel is 30 degrees north, and similarly each of the parallels describes a specific latitude. Now look at this figure. It is one of the great circles around the Earth that runs north-south and passes through north and south poles of the Earth. The plane of this great circle divides the Earth into two hemispheres, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It is another great circle around the Earth that runs north-south and passes through north and south poles of the Earth. But the plane of this circle is not parallel to the plane of the first circle. Similarly, all of these circles run north-south and pass through north and south pole of the Earth. In this way, we join north and south poles of the Earth through some arcs. These arcs are called as the meridians. Each of the meridians describes a specific location on the Earth's surface in terms of an angle called the longitude. Look at this meridian. It passes through Greenwich, UK. It is called as the prime meridian. It intersects the equator at this point. This point is located somewhere in Atlantic Ocean. The longitude of the prime meridian is considered 0 degree. The longitude of this meridian is considered 15 degree east because it is located on eastern hemisphere. The longitude of this meridian is 30 degree east. Similarly, each of the meridian describes a specific longitude. Once again, look at this figure. Suppose we have to describe the location of this point on Earth's surface. Name this point as P. It is the center of the Earth. It is the line of the equator, and it is the line of the parallel that passes through point P. It is the great circle that contains prime meridian, and it is the great circle that contains point P, and it passes through north and south pole of the Earth. Now this angle is the angle between the plane of the equator and the line joining the point P with the center of the Earth. It is equal to 30 degrees. So latitude of point P is 30 degrees north because it is located on northern hemisphere. Now this angle is the angle between the plane of the great circle containing the prime meridian and the plane of the great circle that contains point P on it. This angle is equal to 45 degrees. Hence, the longitude of point P is 45 degree east. So overall location of point P is 30 degree north and 45 degree east.